Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 515. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to settings. Enter display, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change wallpaper, then we can enable or disable home screen mode. We can personalize view and change home screen key mode between navigation up down, key up, key down. Then we can change home screen front color, adjust screen display brightness and change timeout. Then we can change notification details between show and hide. And next we can change main menu view between single, list and grid with labels. Next we can change font size for messaging, contacts and menu. Then we can enable receivable operator logo and cell info display. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.